Hey guys, so I was looking what are the best quantum for your JBL settings that you can do, and this is something like a comment on Reddit. A person just wrote here that 31HZ plus 5BD, 62HZ plus DB, 125, 250HZ with 4dB, 500HZ plus 5dB, 1kHz plus 1dB, 2kHz plus WB, 4 2 plus 5, 8 plus 9, 16 plus 10. And so even the person wrote here that these settings are really good. So do these settings and set it up for your app and it should be really good then. So try it out, let me down below in the comments. So I just found this on Reddit and maybe it's going to really good. Or you can go also with this. So 31 plus 6, 62 plus 7, 125 plus 3, 250 plus 3, 500 plus 3, 1 minus 3, 2 plus 3, 4 minus 1, 8 plus 4, 16 plus 8. So have a great day and goodbye.